Oh yeah, so this is part of from a moose.
This is a deer. Oh, that's, yeah.
And that's seems bigger than that other one we were handling before.
Yeah, that's a stock. I got bigger ones in there if you want to show them. Just open those double doors and there's a ton of stuff in there to play with. That stock's good. This is another nice piece. Yeah. Yeah, so every year.
That hit me in the face.
No, no. But it's amazing that they can make something so dense and so hard, so heavy.
Every year.
Every year. Imagine carrying two of those around on your head.
Good God.
Mostly up in northern, well, we're in New Hampshire, so northern New Hampshire and Maine, probably northern Vermont, I'm not sure. They go out in the wintertime and look for these antlers, and they even train their dogs to find them.
The antlers?
Yeah. And, moose may look dumb, but they find a snowmobile trail and they use it. And so the guys that are looking for them are on the snowmobiles. So, and it's the wintertime when the antlers shed. And so that's very likely to find them, especially if they have a dog with a nose. But it's just solid. There's no, on the butt, this base end of a moose antler and the first, what they call the brow tines, which is the first group of tines that come out of the antler. Those are all very hard, solid, good material to carve. And most, I carved the whole palm on that one. The palm's carvable, and it's the worst part of the moose antler to carve, but it's carvable. So anyway.